One introduction. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Today we're going to explore what AI really is, how it functions, and its implications in various sectors. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or simply curious about AI, this video will provide you with a comprehensive overview. Defining artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI, involves creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. 3. How AI works at its core. AI works by processing large amounts of data and learning from it to make decisions or predictions. This process is known as machine learning, which is a subset of AI. It will also touch on other important concepts like neural networks and deep learning. For applications of AI is not just a scientific concept, but a practical tool used in countless applications across industries. From healthcare, where it helps in diagnosing diseases, to finance, where it's used for fraud detection and risk assessment. AI's applications are vast and varied. 5 Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI offers immense benefits, it also poses significant challenges, including ethical concerns like privacy, security, and the future of employment. It's crucial to consider these aspects as we integrate AI more deeply into our lives. 6. Conclusion. AI is a transformative technology that is reshaping our world. Understanding its mechanisms, applications, and challenges helps us better prepare for its continued evolution. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.